All right, guys, welcome back to Soai. I'm super excited about this experience. I don't know how long this experience is going to be. Now I'm going to take you guys onto, but we're going to go to the Simpsons restaurant. Now I'm excited about it because probably like 2 or 3 persons have told me like, yo, this is a nice restaurant to go to. It is owned by a Jamaican, it's like an international Jamaican chef, so big accolades. And I'm interested to see how good the food is gonna be. Of course, you guys know I'm here tonight with Georgina. And I wanna say a big shout out to Georgina, Kenny, Tash, like everyone who, since I've been here, have not just been about the talk, but also about the walk, that have, like taken me to some really cool places and, given me their time and their company. So Georgina did tell me that you tried the food before, but what happened?
I mean, I tried it on Uber Eats, and it was good, but it was, maybe because it was Uber Eats, it was okay for me that day, but...
Agreed.
But the flavor wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad.
Yeah. But with Uber Eats, with the temperature and everything, so... The
time and the wait time. I agree. I think if you definitely want to get a good review or perspective of a restaurant, just go to the restaurant. The wait time, but anyway, that's besides the point. So I'm gonna be going there today. Now, one thing that I've noticed about Jamaican food here, I kid you not, I feel like Jamaican food here is muted. Like I saw in a comment, someone said, "Oh, why Jamaican food is so spicy?" And I could retort back and say, "Yo, why is American food so sweet? Why is it excessively cheese?" You know what I'm saying? I think that Jamaican food has its characteristics, and even though I get that you're catering to a different market, I find so far that it's very muted here. It tastes completely different. So I'm hoping that this restaurant, I believe it's a Caribbean fusion.
Yeah.
I think it's a Caribbean fusion restaurant, so I might try a Jamaican dish and I'll share the experience with you guys. One of the biggest reasons why I share these experiences are you go to these restaurants, you spend a lot of money, right? You might spend $100, $200, whatever on food. It's a lot of money to me if you don't enjoy it. If you spend $10 on something and it doesn't taste good, it's a waste of money. So we're going to check it out today and I'll tell you my honest reviews on what I think about Simpsons. All right, so we finally made it inside Simpsons. Oh, that sounds weird, but yeah, we've made it inside. And what I like so far is the music isn't so loud. It's very calm. From the outside, it looks really good. In the dark, like in the nighttime, it looks really good. Daytime, you probably could walk past. But inside, I like how it looks. It has kind of like a sports bar, kind of like, it almost feels like old school Jamaican restaurant, but with a touch of class.
Oh, now it's like the pasta top.
Oh, yeah. I do like it. This thing here, very sanitary, easy to clean. What I like is this, like, look at it. It looks like a old school kind of white top, tabletop type of thing, but then, the glass. It's hard to explain, but for those of you watching, you might see. So it's like a fusion of a restaurant and also a sports bar. So there's the other side over there where if you want to go get some drinks, you can go do that. It's not very often that I've been into a restaurant where it feels like I'm in 3 different places, but I'm in one. Like each side has a different feel. Like I can't explain. Yeah, each side has a different feel. Georgina did mention that she wants to get...
So I want to try the lamb chops.
Lamb chops?
Yeah, on his page he puts like lamb chops a lot. Mm-hmm. Like prior to, I think, opening the restaurant, I remember seeing his lamb chops. So I'm like, try.
Lamb chops. I did not check the menu. I like being surprised, to be honest. So whatever... the menu's here. Damn. So we're going to check the menu, and I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to choose. All right, so if I'm going to be real with you guys, I kind of want to not choose something Jamaican, just because I want to experience something new, but I might just take one for the team. I might go with the oxtail. I don't know. Okay, what you think of going for the appetizer?
So for the appetizer, I just saw the bami.
That's what I was thinking.
That sounds so good.
I was thinking the same exact thing just now. All right, so we can go for that. So the bami, ackee, and saltfish bites, that's going to be our appetizer. That's completely Jamaican. We're going to try that. And, they got lobster. Oh, God, they got Maine lobster tail, bro. Oh, all right. We could do the Maine lobster tail. That's not the Jamaican lobster, but we could do in jerk. What you guys think about that? I know you guys are not really here right now, but like,
King.
you think so?
Yeah.
I'm fucking with this. All right, I'm going for it.
If you're in the mood. But they have curry, jerk, coconut curry.
So I'm going for the lobster.
And it comes with rice and beans.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna mess with the lobster for sure. And you are getting the lamb chops.
Lamb chops with mashed potatoes and the garlic meatball mashed potatoes.
Sounds like a vibe. Sounds like a vibe. You wanna try anything else?
I don't wanna. You only brought so much meat to eat.
Huh?
What? Maybe a second appetizer? Jerk chicken.
I'm over wings. I'm gonna be real with you.
The only thing I saw that kind of like raised my eyebrow
Was
the jerk chicken cheese fries, the pico de gallo, but it's
what's it called? So jerk chicken cheese fries with pico de gallo. Okay, we can get that. Okay, so we do 2 appetizers: jerk chicken cheese fries with pico de gallo. Sounds like a vibe. Hey, is it food by the Canadian food? My friend. Yeah, she love her food. She love her food. All right, so I think we got our orders in. Are you getting a Jamaican rum punch?
yeah, I want to try that one.
Sounds like a vibe. Tastes like they cooked it maybe like 4 hours ago, and it just sat there like pick me. No one picked it. It was the last to be picked on the football team. The flavor is good. The ackee is good. It's not spicy like. It's not a spicy ackee.
Like a little grape.
You know, like it tastes fishy to you. But I get that. They're good for Americans, that's fine. But the bami was too tough. The bami literally cut the roof of my throat. The roof of my mouth was cut. All right, let me try this before the music comes back. Okay, so the French fries, the jerk French fries, it don't taste like jerk. But again, I understand the food's gonna be dumbed down a little bit, so it's not gonna be spicy. It's like more like a jerk barbecue. I do like it. We would prefer if the French fries were crispier to add to the contrast between the food. So the sauce and the cheesy part, whatever, that's, you know, wet and soggy, and then the fries would have been crispy, perfect. But the flavors were good. Now for the bami was tough. It literally cut the top of my roof, the roof of my roof. Again. Lamb chops is hitting.
The lamb chops, the flavor tastes good. I haven't eaten the meat yet.
But that flavor is good. I ain't gonna lie, guys. My curry coconut lobster, my coconut curry lobster looks really good, and the rice and peas looks like your grandmama made it. It looks very rich and nice. It's good.
I do want to like the jerk lamb chops.
Lamb chops, nice. That meat be tender and nice.
Yo, it tastes good.
What? Oh, that's proper jerk right there.
Yeah, this is good.
They did not hold up on that spice. Yep. Try my lobster. Lobster? I like it. We'll know in the morning. We'll know in the morning, but Cardi didn't cook a little longer. But I like my meal. I know you're not gonna like it because it does taste like parboiled rice. I thought the same thing. I was just like, yep. I ain't gonna lie, it is parboiled rice, but I'll eat parboiled.
Like, my recipe has to be
All right, Gucci dog. Gucci dog. Like you said, it's definitely a parboiled rice. I can taste it. Parboiled has a different type of flavor. It has this type of flavor, I can't explain it, and also a texture. Do I mind it? Me personally, no. If it is parboiled, I don't mind it. I actually like my rice and peas. And what I appreciated, the waiter took the ackee and saltfish bites off our tab. So I appreciate it, and I love that type of service. If you don't like something, honestly and respectfully, remove it. funny that they use this lobster because you can get Jamaican lobster. It's not beautiful, that's why. You can get Jamaican lobster from Florida because they have it.
Oh, Jamaican lobster in Florida?
The Spanish lobster is in Florida. But what happens is, that's not it. Our lobster is uglier. So that lobster, the Spanish lobster, is shipped to Japan. Yeah, Japan loves it. So most of Florida's lobster, they leave it from Florida, the spiny one, and send it over there. And people in the US, keep the main. But it's not so prickly and it don't look as ugly, if I'm gonna be real with you. But ours, I think, tastes better. All right, so like I said, it's gonna be a short video. Let me give you my review. So I did mention about some other things, but the sawfish bite, like I said before, yeah, it was a little bit stale. It tasted like the bami was out for a little bit. I'm certain that when it was fresh, it would have been a nicer thing. I did enjoy my lobster. If you're a Jamaican though, Maine lobster is not your go-to lobster, but again, I think culturally here it's considered more of an uglier lobster, because in Florida you are able of getting spiny lobster, but yeah, it's not revered here in the US. There's going to be Maine lobster. Of course, that does affect the flavor of the food. I had no problem with it though. I did enjoy that. The curry was rich. I did enjoy my food. What else did we have? The jerk lamb chop was jerkin. They didn't cut down on the spice or anything. I did enjoy that. It was a medium rare, nice, tender. Really enjoyed that. The drinks, I have to admit, I did not enjoy the rum punch. For me, it doesn't taste like a Caribbean rum punch. It tastes like a mixed drink. So it doesn't taste bad, but I don't think it was like the best representation for a rum punch. I don't know if that messed you up.
I feel like it messed me up. I'm more slouched over. I feel as if like they had like vodka mixed with rum, like something, because it did not. I feel lightheaded, a real lightheaded. That was not. It's not giving rum punch.
So, like you said, it wasn't giving rum punch. Like I said, it didn't taste like that Jamaican rum punch, you know. Whatever. But like I said, it's not really a Jamaican restaurant. It is fusion, but overall, I think it was a good experience. I'm glad that I got the chance to support a Jamaican restaurant or a Jamaican-owned restaurant, and say that I did try it. So if you do come to New York, make sure that you check out Simpsons. A lot of people talk about it and say that it's it's good food, good vibe, good ambiance. I did start the video saying that I liked the level of the music, but there was parts when we were there where the music just went super high. The choice of music was pretty good. I did like it, old school, lovey-dovey type of stuff. And yeah. But tell me you guys your take on Simpsons. I'm sure a lot of you Jamaicans might have gotten a chance to be there. And again, thank you, Georgie, for coming out and sharing your experience.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, women are definitely more honest. Like, they're going to just tell you.
Yep.
Yeah, so yeah, it was a good experience for me. Overall, what was your experience like, Georgie?
It was good. It was an overall good experience. I had a great time.
Overall good experience?
The food was okay. The lamb chops is like really the jerk. Yo, when I tell you it tastes really good, that's the best thing that was there, in my opinion. But the drinks, no, they have to do like when people hear Jamaican, they want to taste authentic food, and I feel as if like they need to make it a little bit more authentic. Other than that, like the food was okay. Just like the time I had it always, it was okay. And then the rice was parboiled, like.
You do taste the difference in the rice. Yeah. You do like it. Yeah, but Shelly rice, nice and Shelly, good color, all that stuff.
The flavor was good, but I'm particular about my rice, and I don't like parboiled rice.
I feel that. All right, guys. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna do any of these experiences again. Like, for me personally, filming these is a bit difficult, especially with loud music. So. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one where I get to show you another cool spot that I might like out here in New York. Catch you in the next video. First things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to key the link.